Today, I'm going to show you how to build a completely custom login page in WordPress. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to greet your users with a professional, on-brand login experience that goes way beyond the plain old WordPress default. No coding required and no headaches. Whether you're running a client site, a membership portal, or just want things to look a little fresher, this method is quick, reliable, and beginner-friendly. To start things off, we're going to use a plugin. This is absolutely the recommended route if you're not comfortable with coding or if you just want a fast solution that works. Plugins like LoginPress and Theme My Login have made life so much easier for site owners. Think of them as your digital toolkit for login page customization. They're popular, well-supported, and packed with features that let you tailor almost every element. So first things first, let's get that plugin installed and activated. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, which is the heart of your site. On the left side, find the Plugins section and click Add New. Now in the search box, type in LoginPress. You'll see it come up in the results. Go ahead and click Install Now, and once that's finished, hit Activate. Don't worry if you've never installed a plugin before, WordPress guides you along with helpful prompts, and you really can't break anything at this stage. Now that the plugin is activated, we want to access its settings so we can get to the fun part, customizing. Usually, you'll notice a new tab added in your dashboard's sidebar like LoginPress or Theme My Login, depending on what you chose. Click into that and look for an option called Customizer or similar. This is where all the magic happens. Think of it as your design studio for the login page. Inside the Customizer, you'll see a range of options to change up the look and feel. Let's go through the main items together, step by step. The first thing you can tweak is the logo. Instead of the WordPress logo greeting your users, you can upload your own brand logo. It's almost like putting your own sign above the door, and it really makes your site feel more personal and trustworthy. Just drag and drop your logo file and you'll see the preview update live. Next, let's talk backgrounds. A plain white backdrop isn't very inviting, so you can either change the background color to match your branding or upload a custom image. For example, if you're a fitness site, maybe a high-energy photo fits well here. Or for a business site, a subtle pattern can look really professional. Just make sure your background isn't too busy so people can easily focus on the login form itself. Moving on, the form itself is where users enter their credentials, so it pays to make this part clear and easy to use. Customize the colors, maybe you want a soothing blue or a vibrant orange, whatever fits your style. You can adjust the size of the form as well and even update field labels if needed. If you've ever run into confusing forms that leave you guessing, you know how important clear labeling is. Messages are another detail that often gets overlooked. Here you can personalize error messages and the forgot password text. Small touches like making error messages friendly, oops, that password didn't seem to work, can make a big difference in user experience, especially for less tech-savvy visitors. Now, once everything looks just right, make sure to save or publish your changes. This step is crucial, otherwise your hard work won't be visible. After a moment, refresh your login page and you'll see your custom design live. And that's it, you've taken your WordPress login page from bland to branded, all with a simple plugin. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to hit the like button. And if you have questions or want to share your own results, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And of course, subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and good luck customizing your site.